Hi there, this is Susanna. I just thought I'd share today some sash tying. Today I'm going to use a runner. This is a fairly simple way to enhance a chiavari chair. This is a crystal chiavari chair. Of course, it can be done on the gold or the whatever color you've got going. Today, this is lavender. That's what I'm using. This particular method of decorating the chair is best done with a runner or a wide sash that is the same material on both sides. So starting off, you want to make sure that you're finding the middle point, which is right here. Pull it over the top. Bring it through the middle. Take your two tails. Push this through and then tighten it down. From there, you just want to even it out. You need to fold it over, you can. Here, just to even it out so that it overlaps nicely. You pull it a little bit tight and then you can bring this any way you wish. You want to add decor or put flowers in here, that can be done as well. And it hangs right down to the floor, touching, but it's okay. It's not in the way or anything like that, but it does work quite nicely with that. Simple yet elegant. Again, choose your fabrics. It can be lace, it can be, this is crinkled taffeta, as long as the fabric is pretty similar on both sides so that you don't have that shift between the sections on the back of the chair. Thank you.